Hello, people. So, you know what? There is this, again on Netflix, there is this Japanese show called My Husband Doesn't Fit. Now, you can, that it's a seemingly innocent phrase, line, my husband doesn't fit. But if you were to look deeper, if you were to see the show, you'll know what the show is all about. Show, show nahi, show kadu. It's a, what's it? It is a it is a serial, so it's all about this young couple where sexual compatibility, like as in a husband doesn't fit, is the main theme of the show, of the serial. And yeah, hats off to these Japanese dramas for choosing such themes. Yeah, I mean, it's like really. So do try and just type it out, my husband doesn't fit, and it'll give you an insight into how a small problem can be magnified and it becomes like, that's it. I mean, it's a very very eye opening show. So my husband doesn't fit. Do check it out on Netflix, and it is a Japanese show. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.